So we just filmed a introduction to our videos, the little thing that plays at the first of our videos. And we had some coffee beans in the Colt Pythons. Yeah. So I'm going to do a deep clean and I'm going to show you how I do it. This is the gun oil we use. It's the Breakthrough Battleborn HP Pro Lubricant Protectant. This is what we use. When we don't normally use this one, or when we don't have this one, we use the Remington gun oil. So I have my 357 cleaning brush. I have some cleaning strips, which I'm just going to use a Q-tip probably to push this one through the cylinder. And I have a brush in case I need it to get into the finer little things. And then we're going to do a wipe down. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you want to check and make sure your firearm is not loaded. As you can see, the Colt Python, it is not loaded. So I'm going to be doing a deep clean on this revolver today, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush. Well, I'm not going to take that brush. I'm going to take this Q-tip and I'm going to put a cleaning strip on it, and I'm going to push it through my cylinder to get any debris out. And I am going to do this for both sides, and that's just to push it out if there's any residue of the coffee beans in here. Okay, as you can see, there is no residue now, so I'm gonna oil it. We're gonna do a deep clean. It probably doesn't need much of one, but I'm just gonna screw this on here. I don't feel like taking it apart, so apparently that's broke. This would have been a lot better than the other thing, but I wanted to, before I ran the brush, I wanted to like get all the residue off. And we are going to run this down the barrel as well. How do you guys clean your revolvers? Please let me know in the comments. I hope this video is interesting to you guys. Oop, we don't want that. We want to keep that open. So I put a little oil in there, just oil it, get clean a little bit better. I don't like it hitting back there, so now that it has oil on it, we can run it through the cylinder. Just a little bit of oil goes a long ways. Okay, now we're going to clean this spot back here. I'm going to shut it for now so I can get my bearings. I just put a little bit of a drip here. I'm going to come in with a Q-tip and just rub that down. Really lubricate it. Get all of that residue off. Look at that. This gun's been fired quite a bit. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, wasn't really planning on doing a cleaning video today, but you can take the cylinder off, but I don't really need to, so. And now we're going to lubricate everything, and I'm going to do a wipe down of the outside. Okay, so I got a little bit of oil on here, so we're just going to. And this one is a custom engraved one, a custom engraved Python. And I am going to cock the hammer here in a minute. I'm going to pull it back and get in there. I'm going to get in here and oil it. Okay. So as you can see, it's not loaded. We're going to pull our hammer back and we're going to get in here with this Q-tip and we are going to clean it and oil it. And I just want to wipe away any gunwale residue. And we'll do a little wipe down of this. And there you have it. Clean as a whistle. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out our other content and we'll see you guys later.